From cheapest to most expensive, pare. Game! What's up guys? Another watch, another day. We're here behind the desk na naman. Paring Hype here with you. And today, we will be discussing lahat ng lineup ng Rolex GMT from cheapest to most expensive, pare. Game! First, we have the GMT Green Arrow, the most entry-level ng modern GMT. This in the market is around 630 to 700,000 pesos yung market value nito. Next naman is we have, of course, ang isa sa pinaka-popular, the GMT na Batman naman. Features a two-tone na bezel yan. So this one is very popular, guys. On an Oyster bracelet, this costs around 750 to 840, mga ganon. Of course, we also have the GMT Batman naman na Reborn. Is around 850 to 940,000 pesos, depende sa year and inclusions. Of course, ang pinagkaiba lang ito is mas pinaganda yung movement nung Batman Reborn. The Batgirl naman, which is same sa Batman but features a Jubilee bracelet lang, and this is around 950,000 all the way to 1,030,000 pesos. GMT naman na Sprite on an Oyster bracelet is around 1,050,000 to 1.1 million pesos. Ayan, pataas na tayo ng pataas ng price, pare. Next is the newest design. It is the GMT na Bruce Wayne on an Oyster bracelet, of course. This cost around 1.1 million up to 1.150 million pesos. The GMT Sprite naman na Jubilee bracelet. This one naman also costs around 1.1 million pesos up to 1.150 million pesos on the market. GMT Pepsi natin on an Oyster bracelet. This features also two-tone bezel, which is red and blue. This is around 1.150 million up to 1.2 million pesos on today's market. Of course, yung pinaka-paborito ng marami, the GMT na Root Beer. This features a two-tone naman, guys, na rose gold, okay? Right now, on the market, on an Oyster bracelet, it's 1.150 million up to 1.250 million pesos. The GMT na Guinness naman. So, it features a two-tone din pero yellow gold ito. Some people call it the zombie din. Ito yung kay Kong, pare. Ito yung nirigalo ni V kay Kong doon sa kasal nila. Ang ganda naman talaga. Sarap ikasal, pare. Kala mo, di pa kinasal no? And this around the market right now is around 1.150 up to 1.250 million pesos. The GMT Bruce Wayne naman on a Jubilee bracelet. This is around 1.2 million pesos up to 1.250 million pesos on the prices right now. We have the GMT Pepsi naman on a Jubilee bracelet. And this goes from 1.250 all the way kahit mag 1,350M pa yan. Next naman dyan is mga full gold na GMT natin, which we have the GMT Pepsi na Blueberry. Same siya ng Pepsi yung bezel niya, but it features a blue dial. We call it the Blueberry. This is around 1.9 million to 2 million pesos. Ganda rin yan. Ang bigat nga lang. So here we have naman the GMT Root Beer na full rose gold. This full rose gold is around 2.2 million pesos, more or less. So the next one on top is, I think, is the full gold naman na yellow gold na GMT, which features green dial. John Mayer siya. John Mayer inspired, I think. And that is around 2.3 million pesos to 2.4 million pesos. Ganda. Mahal talaga yun, pero maganda yun, pare.
Suot mo?
Suot ko? Siyempre, vintage tayo. Vintage na GMT. Reference 1675. One of my favorites.